Hello everyone, in this quick video I'm going to show you how can you remove the watermark generated by Gemini, and it won't take any time at all. In just few seconds you can remove it using a completely free tool which requires no software. So as you can see, these AI generated images have Gemini's watermark, and if you want to remove it for free, just need one tool, and that's Photopea. So it's basically an online version of Photoshop that doesn't require any installation or premium subscription. Simply drag and drop the image that has the Gemini logo or any other watermark, then use the patch tool to cover it. Here you can go and pick this patch tool, just select the watermark and drag it to the clean area nearby, and it's gone. Just like that, you can remove the watermark and export your final image. It works great in most cases, especially when the watermark is small and simple. So yeah, it works in that way and will have you removed these watermarks easily. Okay, so just like that, it works fine. It works in most cases. So let's take another example. And the same model, she's pretty cute. You can follow her on Instagram, the link is given in the description down. She's Suzanne Joy. Okay, so as you can see, there's another Gemini logo on her dress. Using the same patch tool again, and it's completely gone. So that's how you can remove the Gemini's watermark easily without uploading your images to any third-party website. You can do it all privately and quickly right in your browser. I hope it helps and will be useful for you guys. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.